Hey everybody, today we are talking about how to hit 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and we're going to be doing that with Stuart Petty. So stay tuned. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the very first episode of Frequent Fridays. I don't know if that name's gonna stick. We're talking with YouTuber Stuart Petty on how to reach 1,000 subs. He's about to hit 10,000 right now. So I'm gonna go be meeting him for the first time today, which is really exciting because we've known each other through YouTube for about 5 years now. So before we go meet with him, he did challenge me to the toast challenge. Let's go make some toast and do that. I was all in. Now I'm running to survive. You got me in overdrive. Got toast. Basically, I have to put it on my face and eat it without my hands. So let's try this, I guess. Oh, okay. Looks like I completely just failed and totally bombed it. I bombed it on that toast challenge, but I don't think I can nominate anyone if I do. But if I can, Josh Dutton, you know what to do. Let's get into the actual video. And do those evil things you do now. I'm falling. I was all in. Now I'm running to survive. You got me in overdrive.
So I'll just give a brief linear history of my channel, per se. I started when I was on my mom's YouTube channel because I wasn't old enough to get a YouTube channel when I was 12.
I had to convince my parents.
Oh yeah? That's great. Yeah, by a year later, I was 13, so I was legally allowed to make my Google channel, and I started there. I used to upload almost every week, sometimes twice a week. I would get really excited about a project or a new idea for a series of videos I had, and I would just produce like super fast. But then there would be weeks or sometimes months where I would maybe lose interest, do something else. I started making a series called Beef Stew. Play on the word beef as in, complaining about something, and stew, my name. And while those videos didn't get thousands of views, each one maybe only got a couple hundred views, over the years I made them. But the name with the personality stuck. And I started making more music videos, more parodies, sketches, but I didn't have a lot of the personality in those videos. I made a video because I liked the idea, but I didn't put a lot of myself into it. When the viewer watched the video, they didn't see, oh, hey, there's Stuart Petty's work, that's great. They saw, here's this interesting little video. I wasn't memorable. I wasn't a memorable part of it. So my beef stew videos kept being the ones that were consistently watched, and the ones that included more of my personality in them were the ones being watched. So fast forward to college, I kind of stopped making videos. I maybe made like 10 a year. Around just 3 weeks ago, I realized I was at 980 subscribers, and I kept the same channel ever since I was 13, so I didn't change that. I changed the name from Stuart Whitaker TV to Stuart Petty. At around the same time, I needed like 15 more subscribers to hit 1,000 subscribers, because when I was a kid, I was like, 1,000 subscribers, that's like one of my little goals in life. I think the combination of hitting 1,000 subscribers, like all of a sudden going up 10 or 15 subscribers in like, 24 hours, combined with me changing my name and the SEO, because YouTube prefers to have you use your real name.
Just the algorithm stuff.
Yeah, exactly. I think that started to give one of my videos a nudge. A obscure video that I forgot I even made. It was 47 seconds long of me just being a goober. Started getting about 1,000 views a week. My subscriber count, started ticking up. I noticed I had about 20,000 views on the video. I checked back 24 hours later. It had 150,000 views, and it was wild. So I hit 1,000 subscribers from 6 years of hard work, 6 years of work, and what else? Determination, passion, pixie dust, all that good stuff your mom and first grade teacher tells you. But then within 7 days of that, one of my videos blew up. The algorithm was in my favor, and I blew up to 10,000 subscribers now. I just hit the 10,000 mark.
So really quick, Stuart's just gonna go over kind of a couple things that he thinks really stand out that can kind of help you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark.
So the first thing is, I would recommend keeping the same YouTube channel, because I wanted to say, I want to start a new thing and I want to change my channel. And then maybe, even if I only had 50 or 100 subscribers, that's 50 or 100 subscribers that you don't have to earn again. And if they don't like your new content, fine, they'll unsubscribe. If they don't like your stuff, you know, a smart person will unsubscribe and not watch you again. But maybe some do. Maybe some people will be like, you know what? I like Stuart's new vlog videos better than his old, like, comedy songs, and I want to stay subscribed. So I would recommend keeping the same channel. You can give it a facelift for sure, but you can keep the same channel. Second thing would be, make things that you love and make things that you think other people would love. For a while, I just uploaded what was on my mind, what I wanted to make. I wouldn't care about what's popular, what's trending. But I started making some videos that would lean more towards that audience. Be like, you know what? This could look kind of fun for somebody to click on, you know? This video could do well. So I would alternate. And that mixture keeps the videos engaging to the audience and potentially get you more subscribers and attention, and it keeps you engaged. The third thing, be yourself on camera. Don't be afraid to let loose. Have a good time. I mean, I've been ripped apart on the internet. Somebody told me I looked like a Q-tip. Somebody told me that I was a 98-pound pasty weakling. I've gotten thousands of comments telling me that I'm ugly or that I'm weird, you know? But see, you don't let it get to you, and you just keep being yourself. Because we have a lot of people on YouTube talking to a camera. What can you offer that's different? Ask yourself that, and then answer that question through your videos and make them awesome.
That was pretty good. I think that's a video worth making that I can edit.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Big shout out to Michael Anderson. He makes fantastic content and I love seeing his stuff. You should too. If you're subscribed, stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, dang, subscribe. You can check out my channel, it's youtube.com/StuartTV, link in the description. I post vlogs, comedy, songs, all sorts of things. If you like my stuff, subscribe. If you don't. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your day.
It was fun shooting the video. Hopefully this was helpful to any of you guys who are getting started on YouTube like I am myself, in a way. This has been Frequent Fridays. If that name sticks, it might. I like it so far, so if you like it, comment below. Stuart, I want to hear your opinion in the comments. And that's it. Thank you. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out of breath because I was running on this hill. If you want to see that, it's gonna be on Stuart's page, so we're at like 5,000 feet right now. Thank you. See you guys.